Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add Google Map locations on your Instagram account. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Map applications with this symbol, and after that you just need to find the location that you want to put on your Instagram. And after you found it, you just need to go click this part, and after that you just need to go click copy. And now let's jump into the Instagram application. So let's open the Instagram application, and whenever you open it, make sure that you are stay in the profile section. Whenever you are in the profile section, you just need to go click this edit profile, and in this edit profile you just need to directly go into the link, and now go click add link. Now you can add external link and paste the link that you already copied from the Google Maps application, and now you can just type store if you use this location as your store. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. And now you just need to go back, and you will see that the link is already here, and whenever someone click the link, they will be generated into the map that you already input before. So that's the way how to add Google Map on a Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.